What's up YouTube? It's Saurav from TechCycle. If you are a person who watch YouTube video just to increase view of some of your friends' channel and you don't watch the video till the end, then you need to watch this video till the end. So the basic thing about YouTube is that they consider mainly two things in their algorithm for recommending a particular video for a particular person. One is view and other is watch time. Views are counted when someone click on the video or open the link. But watch time calculation has got a different approach. Watch time is the amount of time a particular video is played. So if you're watching this video till now, then the watch time will be calculated till this second. So watch time is like a real-time monitor, like how many times a web page is opened, like that. If watch time is more for the channel, then the video will get promoted in the homepage of some other people. So the reach for that particular video will improve drastically. But watch time will only improve the reach. To increase the view, you need to have a clickable thumbnail. So that's how much important a watch time is for a video. So if you are going to help your YouTuber friend by watching his YouTube videos, then make sure that you watch the video till the end. So thanks for watching this video till the end. And if you think this video is awesome, hit the like button. And if you think this video sucked, hit the dislike button. And don't forget to stick around here. You might find something interesting.